Guys, so another stream of the charts, and we're here having some laughs about some jokes in the Nicaraguan hospitals. You don't want to know about that, and Brendan Fraser. So yeah, but more on that after the show. So Bitcoin, pretty damn simple. Okay, let's go. I mean, let's just hide this stuff. Okay, let's not act super smart about it and yada yada yada, say I told you so. Let's just go really simple, okay? Like this was really simple. It was simple stuff. Top to bottom, as we do always. 1 2 3 4. Okay, again, really simple. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 8. Okay, 618, golden pocket of any Fibonacci pool. 618, rejection. Okay, this is the weekly candle, guys, so this is a nasty rejection. But let's go down to the 4 hour. Okay, what happened? A high, a rejection right at the 618 zip, and then continuation accompanied by bearish volume. Okay, bearish volume, that's a sell signal right there. Okay, now that we got that cleared out of the picture, after that we got a 0.5 fib bounce, lower high, sell, another lower high, dump. Okay, now that that's simply clarified, let's go back to the weekly. So that means the fifth wave happened, market structure shifted, we got bearish momentum. We're trying to make pivots, but that's all. We have OBV making lower highs, so volume's draining volume. Okay, and we got sell volume increasing. Okay, consistently, bang. Okay, and now today. Okay, so let's go back to the weekly. What's an important level? Okay, let's just remove this stuff. Let's just go like, okay, let's look at it like this. Here, okay, here, there. Okay, you see here, this entire area like that, right about there. Okay, eyeballing it, but then we can tighten it down to something like this. Okay, starting from here. So what happened? Came up, rejected, bounced, retested, pumped, dumped, bounced, dumped, danced around, tried, died off. Okay, important area. There's another one here also, like that. Okay, right? First touch, retest, bounce, pump, die, break, retest, under, one touch, second touch, goes out. Okay, so after we got the visual simplicities out of the picture, let's say that this wave up is technically not over. Okay, this could still be a fifth wave, like waiting for completion. This on the weekly, this will be like this 5 waves complete after I say 38.5 is lost on the close. Okay, so if weekly loses this important area that we marked, and we have it here marked also as a last stand, 37.8, 37.7, right there. Okay, but on the daily, I would say the music's over, because until we can get 42k back, like you see how it's important here, like as we did before, somewhere around this, something like that. It's an important area, so this 0.5 fib is really counts. So we know for definitely, so we can assume that this is 5 ways up, and if we take from here to there, right, we are under the 236. Now we know the golden rules of fibs. If under the 236, the trend is probably done. And then we start playing the fibs until we hopefully come to, ooh, you see, combination of fibs 236 and 618 at 28k, guys. So, and we have the first confluence here at 382 doubled right there at 335.8. So, what happens in my opinion? This happens. I think we bounce from this area because you see we marked it. So this is the first important area we talked about, and this is the first test of that area after we broke it on this side. Now we're in testing it. I think we make something like this. Maybe we come lower to here, wick, come up, bounce from it, chop maybe, then retest either 41k, either 42k. And then we have two possible options. If we can flip it to support, great stuff. I give it a 25% chance for this happening, and I'm leaning for 80% chance of this happening and coming down here, okay, into the 382. Now, this being fib confluence and having, we don't have DMAs here, we have them lower. Let's see on the 4 hour. Yeah, okay, still nothing on the 4 hour, but I really like this area. You see support and fibs plus a weekly level marked. So I think we go, yeah, I think we test it here, this zone, and it's a buy level for sure. So buy level, that will give us like a decent 10-15% bounce, 20 on BTC, because market structure will come up, you know, make a lower high, reject, dump down, then it will give hope, everybody will be really fucking bullish again. If we then on that try can flip 42k, I'd say these numbers are on the table, probably here, okay, something like that, probably up to there. But I would like for this to bounce, honestly, I would like this to bounce something, reject again, and come here. That would be my ideal scenario. Okay, I think halving is on the 21st of April. So this is the halving date. That means it's around 3 months time. So if we could make this scenario play out before the halving, dump to 28k, okay, get some buys in, and then 40 to 60 days after halving, I think pumps happen. That will close some multiple CME gaps and give us enough gas to go like, and that will create an ABC, okay. So this entire chart mapped out would be an Elliott wave count that would settle well. This would be an A, okay, something here. This entire talk would be a B, and then the C would come down, okay. So during this B wave, during this wave, altcoins will pump, okay, because this is like a rule. It's a choppy sideways type of move action, and in this period we could like make this money, more tether, and then we get a dump. The dump can come in shallow, you know, like a double bottom, but I would honestly like it to be down to 28k into this area somewhere. You know, I would really love to buy from 28 to 25. That would be like amazing, because this would create a lot of doubt, fear, you know, the bull market's over, halving shit, Bitcoin's gonna fail, you know, we heard those stories before, like, no, don't trust crypto again. It's a scam, yada yada yada, which is not a lie, but you know. So I would like this C wave to really like fuck everybody up, get some disbelief back again, because people are still now gonna be buying. Like people are calling people now. Oh, should I buy? A guy at my gym at the pool was today. Oh, maybe I should be buying. You know, so that means they're gonna get him to buy, and then they're gonna dump on him. So they're gonna get those people to buy in the B wave, and get the hype up on CNBC, yada yada yada, and then Bitcoin's gonna dump, kill all those retail people, nice new ones, take their money, and then after halving, they will load their bags somewhere here, you know, because they have billions to load, and then we can go, you know, somewhere this year, let's say before summer, somewhere up to June, July, up, make another 5 waves, up, and then another ABC, and then late year another wave up to all-time highs. That would be like beautiful, you know. And yeah, something like this, the 1618. Let's see what happens. What could happen? Well, this would be really nice. Okay, I don't know. We will see. But even if it goes to the 1618, that's what we see here. That's a 3x on BTC. And one of my members was asking me to point out the next 50x. So if this can do in a year and a half times this amount, okay, then you know the coins will do what he asked me. They will look like Brendan Fraser looked sometimes a while ago. Poor guy, man. Sorry, Brendan. It's not your fault. The lizards did it to you. You know, you messed with the wrong kind of people. Okay, so that's about it. I hope this helped. I hope this plan works out. We will act accordingly, and we will catch you later on the channel. So, play it safe, guys. Talk to you later.